Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Clair Obscur Expedition 33 step by step. But before we jump into the download process, let's take a quick look at what this captivating game has to offer. Clair Obscur Expedition 33 is an atmospheric, narrative-driven adventure that plunges you into a world of mystery and discovery. Set on a desolate and enigmatic planet, the game focuses on exploration, puzzle solving, and uncovering hidden secrets in the ruins of an ancient civilization. As you delve deeper into the unknown, you'll unravel cryptic messages, activate forgotten technologies, and confront strange phenomena that defy explanation. The game is filled with stunning visuals, eerie soundscapes, and an immersive storyline that keeps you on the edge of your seat. If you love atmospheric games that challenge your intellect and immerse you in a rich, otherworldly environment, then Clair Obscur Expedition 33 is definitely worth your time. Now, let's get into how you can download and start your journey in Clair Obscur Expedition 33. There are two easy methods I'll walk you through today. Method 1, step-by-step on-screen guide. I'll guide you through the entire download and installation process right here in the video. Whether you're on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, I'll show you where to find the game, how to start the download, and what to expect during installation. Just follow along, and you'll be exploring the mysterious world of Expedition 33 in no time. Method 2, written guide with direct links. Prefer a written version or want to quickly reference the steps? No problem. Check out the second method in the description below. That link will take you to a full, detailed guide. It covers everything, from where to download the game to troubleshooting common issues. Plus, you'll find a direct download link, so you won't have to search around. We've made the whole process as simple as possible, so you can jump straight into the game without any hassles. But if you run into any issues or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help and will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you're looking for a guide on installing another game, or need help with something else, let me know in the comments. I'm always open to making more guides to assist the community. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, download guides, and gaming tips. That way, you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your time in Clair Obscur Expedition 33. All the links and resources you need are in the description below. Enjoy your adventure, and I'll see you in the next video.